That's not nice. Yeah.
That's a lot. But yeah.
Oh, these ones are bigger. Damn it. But I wanted those because they were raw, but these are bigger. So is your drink, never tasted your drink. Thank you, love. What is it?
It's like a TA.
No?
It's like tastes like tea.
No. What is it? You don't like
Strawberry tea. Can we get food? I'm hungry.
it? Wait.
Bye. Bye.
Get away. I'm in the movies getting my stuff for my Alfredo sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. So I know what I'm eating and I know I'm gonna enjoy my own Alfredo sauce for my for my lobster tail. See, ele masagi ay solo lobster tail. Wale luai lingwa le mea. Yeah, nga. Okay, that's my garlic sauce. Cooking my corn, and I put butter and stuff in it, and now I'm just boiling the potatoes because I like to have my corn quite soft. Okay, and then after that, when they're all cooked, I'll add in the lobster tail somewhere where it's halfway cooked. Okay, guys, potatoes. So I'm going to put in a lobster tail. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man, I can count. Woohoo! How much was that? Far out. I don't know. Last count. See what happens when you guys make me laugh. Okay. Last but not least, the last one that came. Yep. Top on. Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about seafood, but it's going to be with Alfredo sauce and a little bit of this butter sauce that I made. So I got me some prawns, got me some green lip mussels. I also got me corn. Okay, did I say corn? Oh no, it's prawn. Oh, see, rhymes. And I got me some boiled potatoes. Okay, is that all that's here? Yeah, I didn't add any eggs today, guys. Anyway, my drink is like passion fruit tea. Yeah, so got everything done, and I got my little container here to put all my nitty-gritties in it, and I got me some lemon as well. Yep, so I just pop this open. Cheers, guys. There's the pep of the passion fruit. Okay, let's get back to the serious stuff. Anyway, so what should I start with first? I'll start with this lobster tail. Okay, guys, I think you chop it up here. Oh, scissors. Good scissors. And then I try to go the other way. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get cut. Yeah, okay. Dramatic. Okay, guys. Ta-da! Oh, hang on. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that, guys. See? Oh. Yep. Ali masang ya li me Faye. Yeah, umi foi nga struggle. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Kawhiwhi. Yeah, ngari la iyo mangalo aku. Okay. Yeah. Baka. So, anyway, here you go, guys. Ooh. Hey. Shake, shake, shake. And eat. Oh, you know, in my Alfredo sauce, Alfredo, it's got chives, flip parsley. Man, I God. That is so nice. Not kidding you guys, man. Why am I awful? Huh? Faye nga sick, yoko. Yeah, nice, good. Yeah, because God is the one that gives us the, you know, the happy life, the good life. Yeah, I'll dip this in here. My garlic butter. I make some good garlic butter. It's just the garlic and the butter. And you warm it up. They say save these, right? To make a nice broth or something. Yeah. So I boil these in hot water. Then I put in some chicken stock. And then I put in some paprika, smoked paprika, some chunk of butter, garlic, onion, you name it. I put it there. But no chili. No. Sometimes I don't mind chili. I'm just trying to get used to eating chili. Okay. So, I went through the trouble so I can do this. But you know, guys, you know what's missing? Oh yeah, and another thing I put in here. It's whoa, did you see the juice? Yeah, I put in lemon salt. There's a lot of juice coming out. You know how you get a lot of juice from your lemon? You cut it in half. And you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And when you squeeze that baby, a lot of juice will come out. A lot. Probably twice as much as if you did it. Alright? So that's a helpful tip if you don't know it. That lemon butter's, I don't know, so delicious. Anyway, don't take my word for it. Gotta make you some. Yeah. Prawns, guys. See if now, yeah. You know what? I'm having me another one of these. Okay. Scissors, action. Guys, this is so good. Once upon a time, these were, you know, crawling around in Canada. But now, they're in Australia. Hanging out with Faye Vids. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. This is so good. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Rồi, nghe ơi. Wait guys. Okay, wait. Hang on, wait, look. Can you see that? Oh. I don't see now why people are making these, you know, as a mukbang. So good. Guys. All the money. You know, it's worth the money. Look at that. You know how much is for one of these? $6. And I find that pretty cheap. Just so good. It's very good. You know what? These are the kind of mukbangs I think I'll try and do more often. It's so nice. Oh, prick my lip wet, don't you? Sugar prawn. Sugar prawn. Inject them like that. Oh, look at that. Any mini. Okay, I'll go there first. And then I'll squeeze a bit of lemon. And then I'll go in here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Man, I'm so privileged. I didn't cook these mussels right through. I had it injected. My lip is hurting now. Thanks to that pointy thing about. Anyway, I just chucked these in after I turned off the yeah. I should have put it a bit longer. Anyway, I'll dip it in here. Yeah, it's half cooked. But sometimes it doesn't listen when it's. Yeah. Look at that, guys. With mussels, you got to be careful when you know, open them up. Sometimes they have these little tiny crabs inside them. That doesn't come out when they're getting cleaned out. Yeah, you got to be careful with the mussels because sometimes the shell's stuck on them, you know, and it could hurt. You know what? These are so nice. They're only $6 for one. You know? And I got 8. Okay. I thought, oh my gosh, can I eat all that 8? But you know what? The way it tastes, I can eat another 8 on top of that 8. For my, thank you very much, Canada, for my lobster tail. Oh wow! Oh, hey, there's a bit of meat there. Oh, guys, you know what? If you guys see some of these in your local fish shop, get you guys some. Then you make your Alfredo sauce, like me. Put some butter on it. Squeeze some lemon in it. See how much lemon's coming out of this one. I've only been using this 1/2. I bought 8 and I left 2 in the pot because I didn't think I could finish this. Look at it. So lovely. You know what? It is so good. Very, very nice. Okay, a little bit of lemon on it. It's my niece's birthday today. She turned 16 today. Her name is Faye Maria. Happy birthday, Faye Maria. I hope you had a good day. And I hope you got really, really spoiled because you deserve it, my baby. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Oh. Good stuff. You know what? This is very, very nice. You know that? Peel these potatoes. I like when I see people like eating the potato with all the skin on it and everything. I think, oh, it's so good. But the thought of eating the skin, oh, no, I don't really like it. I know, did you ask? No, you didn't. But I just want to say. Okay, here we go. Bite. No. You know what? This is a lovely feast. Bangay. Oh, hang on. Ting. I thought I felt something there. Right. Who's there on my chin? Ooh, tell me. Oh, guys, did you know what? Guess what? Okay, this is what happened. I had a Waitangi Day video, right? And it had like 1,300 views on it. I was so proud of that video because, hey, I grew up in New Zealand, guys, and Maori people, and New Zealand, I belong. And I was so proud of that video. I really liked it, you know. I was happy to film my Tangi Day. And because there was music in the background, not even my fault, Well, I got told that, you know, it's copyright. But like they said, it's not a strike to my name. But I deleted it. I just thought, nah, it's going to be a hassle. Take it off. But I want to put it back up. But I want to do a voiceover. But I don't know how to do it. So I want to ask my daughter if she can help me. Because she knows how to do it. Because she's done, hey, watch it. She's done voiceover, so she knows all about it. You know what? It's so good. So good, I just better watch out, I might end up eating my hands. Anyway, I was so shocked today to find out that my niece is 16. 16! Oh, poor baby, growing up too fast. Guys, this is so good. This is so good. Oh, I'm going to show you. My husband went to the Blacktown Market. He got us some donuts. The Cook Island ones when we were there. Oh, talk about professional. And it was that good. 3 days later, they're still soft. Professional. Anyway, let's get back to this. This is so good. I'm going to buy me more lobster tail. And I'm going to make me some food. And eat it. Yeah. This Alfredo sauce is so lovely. You know? I see people doing it on their mukbangs and I just think, that looks yummy. And then I thought, what am I going to do with my mukbang? What? Then I thought, oh, I'm going to go get me some lobster tail. That's how I was thinking. See, that's a good combination. Butter, lemon, Alfredo. So Maria. To all you Americans out there that's commenting on my channel, I appreciate you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And to my polytubers, thank you also. You guys are champs. You sure are. You guys are bringing out contents that I really enjoy. I really enjoy it. And you know what's funny? Peter, there's a channel named Peter and Yen. You guys go check it out. They are not polys, but I tell you what, just watching them mingling with polys, yeah, they are poly adopted people too, you know. So hello, Peter and Yen. You guys are awesome. You guys do such good videos. I love watching your fellas' videos and the food you guys eat. Yeah. Anyway, I talk too much, so I want to know who said that. And me. Guys, over the man lên mẹ ấy phát cái cây đèn của mà mẹ ấy mà nghe phát đẹp. See, these mussels. I just wanted to just drop it in there in the hot water. I have it opened. Oh, look at that. Mmm. You want to take the mask? How he ate that mushroom in the beginning of the movie. I love that part. Okay. Oh, why did I leave that other those other lobster tails in? Woo! Oh, this is so lovely, guys. This is so lovely. And the only way you guys can find out is if I'm telling the truth, is go and buy you guys some. And then you guys come back and say, ooh la la, Faye, ooh la la, ooh la 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 la, la. Okay. Oh, you know what, guys? I thought there's enough to share. But no, it's enough for me. Yes, early enough for, oh so delicious. Oh. You know what, guys? I might be making you guys hungry. Look at that whole shell. Oh. If I'm making you guys hungry, please let me know. And say to me, can you stop it? Stop teasing us? Yeah, me not teasing. Me just eating the food. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See what happens when you put it in the microwave? You don't run out of juice. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, guys, I'll push this aside. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys. Got some shout outs to do. Okay. Nice lady. So, Ellen Tuff. I want to shout out Ellen Tuff because, you know, she's been one of the first ones to, you know, say hello to me when I first started my mukbang. And there's always someone that's always commenting on my, quite a lot of you guys always commenting on my videos, and I really, really appreciate it. So if I miss you guys out, don't worry. You know, there'll come a time when I pull up your name and shout you out too. But I like to shout out Maria Mitchell. Okay, I like to say thank you, Maria, for always commenting, always leaving positive, uplifting comments about my video, and you know, the comments are good. Thank you so much. And Digi Dodgers, that person has a channel too, but I think it's about games and stuff. Okay, and I also want to say M&N vlogs, yep, and Kat Antonio, Silent Viewer, and McCarthy family. Okay, I just want to say a big hello to everyone, and thank you so much for always commenting. Hey, always commenting. Thank you so much. Take care.